Good manufacturing practices can be overwhelming and confusing. One topic that confuses many is the difference between a master production record, MPR, and a batch production record, or BPR. With 17 years of experience, this is the GMP makes traversing the difference easier. Think of an MPR as a recipe from a cookbook. It has instructions organized with measurements, timing for each activity, ingredients, and cooking equipment. A BPR is a copy of the cookbook with all the details. But here you record what you did to make the recipe. Maybe you baked it for 35 minutes instead of 45. In the realm of GMPs, you need to record this metadata for the protection of the consumer. We separate the two in our EBR system. Only certain license roles have access to the MPRs, and even fewer have permissions to edit. Here your authors get to write the recipe, talk about the product, the amount that needs to be produced. Materials. Equipment, reference documentation as needed, and write your instructions. Once completed, your team can review and approve the recipe as appropriate for the product and your regulations. Once we have our recipe organized, we can now issue a fillable copy called a batch production record. This record gives your team the ability to record the metadata. See which lots of ingredients have been used, track time of activities, and timestamp all signed activities. The separation of MPR to BPR helps create consistency between batches. By using this system, you will quickly identify any production errors or process improvements. This leads to less downtime, more efficient operations, and more consistent products. Please visit our website if you have additional questions. Thank you and have a wonderful day.